Did you know that the Rhode Island red chicken, a bird that's as American as apple pie, was actually developed in Massachusetts and not Rhode Island? Yes, it's true. This might seem like a fun trivia fact, but it's a fascinating part of the Rhode Island Red's history. Let's take a step back to the late 19th century, to the days when the Rhode Island Red was first bred. This iconic breed was developed in the town of Little Compton, which, despite the name, is nestled in Massachusetts, not Rhode Island. So how did these chickens come to be known as Rhode Island Reds? Well, it's a tale as old as time, or at least as old as the breed itself. The breed was developed by a mix of various chickens, including the Java, the Malay, and the brown leghorn. The aim was to create a chicken that could withstand the harsh New England winters, lay a good number of eggs, and also serve as a decent table bird. The result was a hardy, versatile bird with a deep red color, hence the name Red. But the Rhode Island part? That's where the story takes a surprising turn. It's believed that the breed got its name from Rhode Island red fowls, a breed already established in the region. When these Massachusetts-bred chickens were introduced into the Rhode Island red flocks, they not only thrived but also improved the breed. And so, the name Rhode Island Red was born. A nod to the breed's improvement in Rhode Island despite its Massachusetts origin. It's a testament to the adaptability and resilience of these birds, qualities that have made them an enduring favorite among poultry enthusiasts. So, there you have it. A surprising tale of a chicken with a name that's a geographical misnomer, but a fitting tribute to its contribution to poultry farming in the United States. Now that we've learned a bit about their interesting history, let's dive into the characteristics that make Rhode Island Reds a popular choice for backyard farming. Rhode Island Reds are more than just a name. They come with a unique set of characteristics that set them apart from other chicken breeds. Let's take a closer look at what makes these birds so special. First off, their physical attributes. With a name like Rhode Island Red, you might already guess their standout feature, their rich, deep red color. This isn't just any red, but a lustrous mahogany that can range from a dark rust to nearly black. Their eyes are a bright orange red, and their beaks are brown or horn-colored. These birds are medium to large in size, with males typically weighing around 8.5 pounds, and females a slightly smaller 7.5 pounds. Their bodies are broad and deep with a rectangular build, showcasing a robust and hardy chicken breed. Next, let's talk about their behavior and temperament. Rhode Island Reds are known for their hardy nature and vigorous foraging abilities. They're often described as active, and for a good reason. These birds love to be on the move, scratching and pecking around for food. They're not particular about their surroundings, and they can adapt to a range of environments, from free-range situations to confined spaces. Despite their active nature, Rhode Island Reds are generally docile and easy to handle. They're not usually aggressive, though the roosters can be a bit more assertive. But overall, they're known for their calm and composed demeanor, making them a popular choice for families and hobby farmers. Now let's get to the part that most backyard farmers are interested in: egg-laying capabilities. Rhode Island Reds are prolific layers, typically laying between 200 to 300 brown eggs per year. That's potentially an egg almost every single day. Their eggs are medium to large in size, and they start laying at around 5 to 6 months of age. Finally, these birds are admired for their hardiness. They're sturdy, resilient birds that can withstand a variety of climates, from hot summers to cold winters. They're known to be particularly resistant to common poultry diseases, which is a huge plus for any backyard farmer. So, there you have it. The Rhode Island Red, a bird of beautiful color, active temperament, prolific egg-laying capabilities, and exceptional hardiness. These qualities not only make them stand out, but also make them a good choice for backyard farming. Rhode Island Red's unique characteristics not only make them stand out but also make them a good choice for backyard farming. Let's find out why. You might be wondering, why choose Rhode Island Reds for backyard farming? The answer is simple. They're hardy, adaptable, and a great source of fresh eggs. Rhode Island Reds are truly a marvel when it comes to backyard farming. They offer a perfect blend of hardiness and adaptability, making them a suitable choice for farmers who are just starting out, or those with years of experience under their belts. Their ability to weather various climates and conditions is a testament to their resilience. Whether you're in the heart of a bustling city or the quiet of a rural area, these chickens will thrive, providing a dependable source of fresh eggs and a delightful addition to your backyard. But what exactly makes Rhode Island Reds so hardy? These chickens are known for their robust health and resistance to common poultry diseases. They're built to survive and thrive, and they certainly live up to this reputation. They can withstand harsh winters and hot summers, making them a great choice for a wide variety of climates. Their adaptability doesn't stop with weather conditions though. Whether they're free-ranging in a large yard or cooped up in a small urban space, Rhode Island Reds adjust beautifully to their surroundings. Now, let's talk about their egg-laying capabilities. Rhode Island Reds are renowned for their prolific egg production. They can lay between 200 and 300 large brown eggs per year, which is a fantastic output for any backyard farmer. This means you can have a steady supply of fresh, homegrown eggs for your kitchen. These eggs are not only delicious but also nutritious, adding a wholesome touch to your meals. But the benefits of Rhode Island Reds don't stop with their hardiness and egg-laying capabilities. These chickens also boast a relatively calm temperament. While they are lively and active, they are not overly aggressive, making them a joy to raise. This characteristic is particularly beneficial for families with children, or for those who simply enjoy the peace and tranquility that comes with backyard farming. You can expect these chickens to be a harmonious addition to your backyard environment, adding a touch of rural charm to your everyday life. Choosing the right breed for backyard farming is a crucial decision, and Rhode Island Reds prove time and again to be a rewarding choice. Their resilience, adaptability, prolific egg-laying capabilities, and calm demeanor all contribute to their popularity among backyard farmers. They are a breed that offers a lot, asking for little in return. By now you should have a good understanding of why Rhode Island Reds are a popular choice for backyard farming, but let's summarize what we've learned so far. Rhode Island Reds are a versatile and hardy breed that's perfect for backyard farming. Over the course of this video, we've delved into the fascinating world of Rhode Island Reds, a breed of chicken that's been a staple of backyard farming for decades. We've taken a journey through their surprising origins, unique characteristics, and the reasons why they are such a popular choice for backyard farming. Let's take a moment to revisit their history. The Rhode Island Red, a true American breed, was developed in the late 19th century in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. This breed, with its rich reddish-brown feathers, was bred to be hardy and adaptable, capable of withstanding New England's harsh winters. Moving on to their unique characteristics, it's clear to see why Rhode Island Reds are so beloved. They're known for their versatility, being excellent layers of large brown eggs, while also being robust enough for meat production. Not to mention their hardy nature and adaptability make them suitable for various climates and conditions. But perhaps the most compelling reason to choose Rhode Island Reds for backyard farming is their utility. They're low maintenance, friendly, and, as we've mentioned, they're fantastic layers. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out in the world of backyard farming, Rhode Island Reds offer a great return on investment with their year-round egg production. In conclusion, Rhode Island Reds are a breed that embodies the spirit of backyard farming. They're hardy, adaptable, and provide both a steady supply of eggs and a source of meat. They're the perfect breed to get started with or to add to your existing flock. So, if you're considering starting a backyard farm, Rhode Island Reds are certainly a breed to consider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more farming know-how. Until next time, happy farming.